Good day everyone. Learn how to enable home button in Google Chrome browser in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So open your Google Chrome browser and at the top right corner where you see the three dots, click on that and then click on settings. The moment you click on settings, you will find a window like this, and here we need to look for appearance, and we need to click on this appearance, and then in under appearance scroll down more, and you will find show home button. So currently it is disabled, and I can enable home button by just turning on like this. And what exactly you want, like the home page is there, and if you want the home button with Google, then just simply type www.google.com, and that's it. Now I'll just close it and I'll reopen, and let's say I'm searching something like TV, and if I click on this home button, the Google is back in the home page. So this is how you can bring back home tab or home icon in Google Chrome browser. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.